both go down to...
Hi, my name is Marce.
My name is Rose Villarreal.
And my name is Rodrigo Sanchez.
And today you're going to learn some math problems. Hi, my name is Marce, and today I will teach you how to do some problems of a final review that will help you study. This problem is named conjugate binomial, and it's problem 48. So let's go over it. The first thing you need to do is see which common terms do you have. So the 2 times 2 equals 4. Then x times x equals x squared. Y times y equals y squared. And after that, the second step is you need to add the 5 and the 4, these two numbers, and then multiply them by the 2. And the result of that is 2xy. And after that, you need to multiply the last terms. So, 5 times minus 4 equals minus 20. It's easy. Let's go over it again. 2 times 2, 4. X squared, y squared, 5 plus minus 4 equals 2. And then xy, because you multiply. And after 5 times minus 4 equals minus 20. You see? It's very easy. Okay, the next problem is problem 59 of our final review. So let's go over it. Is 121y4 over 225 minus 3361 x6. And okay, it's a conjugate binomial, so it's very easy. What you need to do is make the square root of each one. So the square root of 121y4 will give us 11y to the second power, and then of 225 will give us 15, and of 361 over 6 to the 6th will give us 19x to the third power. And that now you make it a conjugate binomial. So you put the same in another parenthesis, but with different signs. So it will be 11y second to the 15 minus 19x cubed, and on another parenthesis the same, but with a plus sign.
In this problem, you have to take out the common factor, which is an x. You take it out and you rewrite the whole problem with the x taken out. After you take out the first common factor, you have to group them into two groups. The first one will be 27x cubed and minus 6x squared. The second will be 36x minus 8. After you have done the two groups, you take out the common factor of each group. Of this one, 3x squared, and you have left over 9x minus 2. Then of the second one, the common factor is 4. You take it out and you put the leftover of the 2. After you have done this, you just need to put 3x squared plus 4 in a parenthesis, and 9x minus 2, you bring it down to our parenthesis. And the last thing you have to do is bring down the x you have taken out from the first original problem. You take it down, and this is your final answer.
Hi. First, you need to see that the value of x is negative 2. So, this is your original problem. The first thing you need to do is you need to substitute the negative 2 where there are x's. See? Negative 2 squared minus 2 inside a parenthesis, that would be negative 2 plus 5. The next step is doing the process. Okay, negative 2 squared is going to be 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 is going to give you 4, because negative times negative gives you a positive. And then you're just going to put the plus 5. You're going to add all of these three terms, and this is going to be your answer.
In this problem, problem 82, you have to substitute first the f of x. You substitute it by putting negative 3/2 wherever an x is. In here, you put negative 3/2 squared, since here is an x. Then negative 3/2 where this x is in a parenthesis, and you just write plus 5. After this, you start solving the problem. 3/2, negative 3/2 squared will be 9/4. Negative 3/2 times negative 2 will be positive 3, and you rewrite the plus 5. After this, you just need to convert this into a fraction, will be 8 over 1. After this one you have to make a common term. This will be 4, this will become 32, the 8 will become 32, and then you have to add, will be 41 over 4.
The next problem is problem 94 of our final review. And in this problem, what we need to do first is that we need to cross multiply the terms. After cross multiplying the terms, we need to multiply. So we have a term on the right side of the Okay, the next problem is made by the substitution method. Okay, the first step you need to do is choose one of the two equations. In this case, we chose the one on the top. So 2x equals 13 plus 5y. We isolate it and we get x equals 3 halves plus 5 halves plus 2. So now we isolated the x. After isolating the x, we put it into the other x and we simplify it. When we simplified it, we multiply everything by 2 so we can eliminate all the fractions. And then we will isolate the y and we will get minus 1. To get the x, we need to go to the top and multiply all the equation of x and multiply it by negative 1 so we can get the x. And at the end, the x will be 4.